side hustles have rapidly become a defining feature of the American workforce, with more workers than ever turning to secondary income sources. Recent data shows that 72% of Americans now rely on at least one side hustle to supplement their primary earnings. This shift reflects not only changing economic realities, but also a growing desire for financial security and flexibility. As traditional job structures evolve, side hustles are increasingly viewed as essential rather than optional for many individuals and families. Generational differences play a significant role in the rise of side hustles across the workforce. Younger generations, such as Generation Z and Millennials, are notably more likely to pursue multiple income streams compared to older cohorts. This trend is driven by factors like economic uncertainty, student loan debt, and the desire for greater financial independence. Additionally, younger workers tend to be more comfortable with technology and digital platforms, making it easier for them to access and manage various side hustles. In contrast, baby boomers participate in side gigs at much lower rates, often due to more traditional career paths and established financial stability. In this experiment, 5 distinct side hustles were tested over the span of 7 days. The goal was to determine which opportunities not only offered the highest earnings, but also proved to be the most practical to manage alongside a typical schedule. Each side hustle was evaluated based on factors like income potential, time commitment, and ease of entry. By comparing the results, valuable insights emerged about which side gigs are truly worth pursuing in today's fast-changing economy. AI-assisted freelancing is transforming the way independent professionals work by integrating advanced tools that streamline tasks and enhance efficiency. With the help of artificial intelligence, freelancers can automate repetitive processes, generate creative content, and manage projects more effectively. This boost in productivity not only saves time, but also allows freelancers to take on more clients and diversify their services. As a result, those leveraging AI tools can typically earn between $1,000 and $5,000 per month, depending on their skills and workload. Embracing AI technologies is quickly becoming a key strategy for freelancers seeking to maximize both their output and income. Content creation and user-generated content, or UGC, have become popular ways for individuals to earn extra income. By partnering with brands, creators produce authentic photos, videos, and reviews that resonate with real audiences. This collaboration allows brands to showcase their products in genuine settings, while creators benefit from flexible work opportunities. On average, those involved in content creation and UGC can expect to earn between $500 and $3,000 per month, depending on their reach and the number of partnerships they secure. Gig economy jobs like delivery and rideshare services offer workers a high degree of flexibility, allowing them to choose when and how often they work. These roles typically require access to a vehicle, a valid driver's license, and meeting minimum age requirements set by the platforms. Earnings can vary widely, with most participants making between $600 and $2,000 per month, depending on hours worked and demand in their area. Many find these jobs appealing because they can easily fit around other commitments, making them a popular choice for those seeking supplemental income. Phone-based earning apps such as IamBeezy offer users a straightforward way to generate extra income by simply viewing content on their smartphones. These platforms typically reward users for watching videos, engaging with advertisements, or completing small tasks within the app. While the process is easy and accessible to most, the income potential is modest, with users generally earning between $150 and $450 per month. This makes such apps a practical option for those seeking supplemental income without a significant time commitment. However, it's important to maintain realistic expectations, as these earnings are unlikely to replace a primary source of income. Reselling and flipping items online involves purchasing goods at a low cost and selling them for a profit through digital marketplaces. Successful flippers often source products from thrift stores, garage sales, clearance racks, or even online auctions. Careful research and an eye for undervalued items are essential to maximize returns. On average, individuals can earn between $300 and $1,500 per month, depending on their effort and expertise. This side hustle not only generates extra income, but also helps develop valuable skills in negotiation, market analysis, and digital sales. When comparing the results from all 5 side hustles, clear differences emerge in terms of earnings, ease of entry, and long-term prospects. AI-assisted freelancing stood out as the most lucrative, with potential monthly earnings reaching up to $5,000, though it often requires specialized skills to get started. In contrast, phone-based earning apps were the easiest to begin, needing little more than a smartphone, but their income potential was more modest. Content creation and gig economy jobs offered a balance between accessibility and earning power, while reselling and flipping provided steady returns for those willing to invest time in sourcing products. Ultimately, side hustles that combine skill development with scalable income, like freelancing and content creation, tend to offer the best long-term potential. In summary, side hustles have become an essential part of financial planning for many Americans, offering both supplemental income and opportunities for personal growth. The rise in secondary income sources reflects a shift toward greater financial security and adaptability in an evolving job market. When choosing a side hustle, it's important to consider your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can realistically commit. Aligning your choice with your long-term goals can maximize both satisfaction and earnings. Ultimately, the right side hustle can provide not just extra cash, but also valuable experience and peace of mind.